Most people skip this car because they've never heard of DS. Big mistake, because this thing does something almost no other hybrid bothers with. It actually feels alive when you drive it. The new DS No.4 1.2 hybrid makes 145 horsepower from a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with a 28 horsepower electric motor. Sounds modest on paper, but here's what they don't tell you. This car runs on pure electricity up to 50% of the time in the city, half your commute with zero gas burning. The hybrid system is self-charging, pulling energy from every brake tap and coast. No plugging in, no range anxiety. Just drive it like a normal car and watch the fuel savings stack up. But the real surprise is how it drives. Most hybrids feel like they're apologizing for existing. Numb steering, lazy responses, built for efficiency, not enjoyment. This one's different. The steering is weighted like something from the sports car aisle. The throttle response is instant. You tap it and the car lunges forward with 230 Newton-meters of torque, hitting the front wheels through a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic. It carves corners with confidence. Not sports car sharp, but way sharper than it has any right to be. And here's the part that changes everything: the interior. Most hybrids at this price point feel like rental cars inside. Plastic everywhere, basic seats, zero personality. DS went the opposite direction. The front seats are high-density foam with optional heating, cooling, and massage. They wrap around you like a first-class airline seat. The dashboard uses this invisible air vent system called DS Air that flows air without visible vents. Looks clean, works perfectly. The door handles are flush with the body. They pop out when you walk up, retract when you leave. The car locks itself automatically. Inside, you get a 430-liter boot, bigger than a BMW 1 Series. Bigger than a Volkswagen Golf, plenty of space for real-world use. The tech is next level too. DS Matrix LED vision headlights that see around corners, ChatGPT voice assistant built into the infotainment, a head-up display that floats the data 4 meters ahead of the windshield like it's suspended in mid-air. And the sound system? Focal Electra, 14 speakers, 690 watts, acoustic glass all around. This is luxury-grade equipment in a compact hatchback that costs 41,650 Swiss francs in Switzerland. It competes with the Audi A3, BMW 1 Series, Mercedes A-Class. But those cars feel corporate, predictable, safe choices. The DS No.4 feels like the option for people who actually care about design. French craftsmanship mixed with serious tech. Fuel consumption sits around 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers combined. That's 45 mpg. In real-world testing, it actually hits those numbers. So yeah, this hybrid breaks the mold. And speaking of cars nobody sees coming, next time we're looking at something even weirder, a luxury SUV that somehow makes sense at twice the price. You'll want to see this. Let me know in the comments if you'd actually pick this over a BMW. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.